Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to MonthEnd Apps. Time to show some love for the accountants. Hopefully from our branding you can see that we're all about the accountants. The team is actually made up of folks who use QuickBooks a lot every day. We came together to actually build some tools to help accountants like us with their month-end close activities. A couple of the key problems that we're trying to fix with our first release is two things. The first one is multi-company consolidations. Who actually cares about this problem? It's typically companies that have two or more entities or QuickBooks companies that they have to consolidate. Could be a multinational company or a strictly domestic franchisee, for example. The typical pain point for the accountant right now is in order to consolidate those financials, they need to actually step out of QuickBooks, jump into spreadsheets or some other manual workaround to do that consolidation. I love Excel. It's a great tool. I use it every day, but to the complex models that are required to actually run those consolidations get really old. You get the internal control gaps. It's time for a change. So how do we get Excel out of that equation? And this is where MonthEnd Apps comes in. Our platform is fully integrated with QuickBooks in both directions, as you'll see. So no more spreadsheets. We plan to actually span across QB Desktop and QB Online for some great flexibility. So let's take a look at how the solution works. So what we've got here is you can see all the sub-companies that are set up below. The accountant will have to go through an initial setup to hook that up. We've actually set up a really cool user interface to actually assist with that. To drive the consolidation, our system will actually pull all of the transactions and other data that's required into the app. We'll run the full consolidation, do a translation of any foreign subs, and then we actually will create the consolidated accounts that are ready for review. Post-review, couple clicks, and we'll put that straight back into QuickBooks. So the other beautiful thing about this is actually, this is the second problem that we're trying to solve, and that actually has to do with entering or changing transactions in closed periods. This drives accountants nuts. They do a lot of work to close, and it's so easy in QuickBooks to actually change something.
So does this allow you to bring other stuff in to it? Like what if I have someone that runs their personal books and they need like a personal financial statement? Can I pull in all their entities? Like if it's a real estate broker that has all these QBO files, but then they also have their personal books?
Yes, absolutely.
Because sometimes you do need a spreadsheet.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And was all of this done here during the thing, or is it portions of it pre-built?
What we actually worked on here is using the new API for QBO, looking at how we pull transactions, account data and stuff like that out of QBO into our app. We started doing some work already with QB Desktop, so using QBO is something new that we started here.
And our goal is to get the desktop feeding into an online company, a QBO. So even if they're desktop users, we're hoping to have a consolidated company on QBO to help convert those desktop users.